Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, May 4th. Today's Zen story is titled The Empty Cup. I'm going to read it to you first, and then we will do a short reflection around it. A traveling scholar arrived at a tea house, seeking shelter from the storm. Rain lashed against the paper windows. Inside, all was still. An old tea master knelt behind the counter, setting out 2 cups. The scholar lowered his dripping hood, shaking water from his sleeves. He placed a bundle of scrolls on the table, smoothing them with careful hands. His fingers tapped anxiously. "I have read the sutras," he said, "debated with monks, memorized countless verses," he exhaled, "and yet something is missing." The tea master nodded, lifting the kettle. He poured into the scholar's cup. The scholar leaned forward. "Tell me, what is the essence of Zen?" The tea master poured until the scholar's cup was full, and then he kept pouring. Tea spilled over the rim, streaming across the table, soaking the scholar's scrolls. He leapt up. "What are you doing?" The tea master set down the kettle. The only sound was the rain. The scholar sat back down, gripping the edges of his robe. His scrolls were still soaking as the tea continued to trickle off the table and onto the floor. He drank slowly. Eventually, the cup was empty. Outside, the storm raged. Inside, a single drop fell. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle, to arrive in stillness. Breathing naturally, noticing how this natural breath flows through your body and how your body receives it. Allow yourself to just breathe and just be. Now take a moment to reflect. Where in your life are you still pouring? Knowledge, worry, plans. Some cups are already full. So what would happen if you stopped pouring into them? Ask yourself, can you see the spill before it overflows? What quiet overflow in your life have you been ignoring? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. With gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. And if you want to experience a moment of Zen, you may choose to play with some things. For example, pour water into a cup and watch it until it spills. Or hold your breath and then release it and notice which moment was full and which was empty. Or maybe stand in the rain and close your eyes. When do separate drops become whole? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.